be starting the resistance piece, the sketch that I did like 2 videos ago, and I'm very excited. This is the canvas that we're going to be doing, 30 by 40. I think this is a pretty good size, a perfect size for it. And I'm going to be using a projector to outline. First, I'm going to sand it down, then I'm going to gesso it, and then we're going to outline it with a projector because for bigger pieces I like to do that at the same time. I would recommend using a projector if you already know how to draw really well and sketch out. Once you already know that, then you could do those shortcuts, but definitely don't shortcut into not learning how to draw, if you know what I mean, because definitely drawing is a really big good skill to have before getting into painting. You don't need to be an expert, you know, but definitely drawing will help learning how to draw more effectively. Hopefully it's going to be strong and it's going to reach people and motivate them. So yes, thank you for being here with me. Grab your snacks, your drinks, your own work. Sending you positive, good vibrations. Taino. Let's see. Hope it's not too rough. Or ASMR. Okay, we're back. I just sanded it in the back outside because I don't want, you know, sand going out. Not sand, bro. This paint, because they like just wait one time I think or twice, but okay. Yeah, it doesn't really say directions. It just says an opaque matte white ground. Apply to surfaces to seal and prepare before painting. I'm using this gesso from Liquitex. I'm using it with water, and maybe I'm gonna cover it until I guess it's not as see-through as you can see here. But I actually never used gesso, and I've been painting since like 2018, so that's pretty crazy to think about. But I would usually do like a color acrylic wash first, because they say you shouldn't really start a painting with a white background if you want those colors to pop out at the end. So I'm still gonna do that though. So I'm gonna do gesso, wait for it to dry, and then gonna do a color wash. I usually do yellow or amber, and yes. So, but yeah, you can use any color, and yeah. I finished with this first layer of the gesso, which is really cool. Now you don't see like the shadow of the background, so definitely covered it. But I think I do want to do a second coat just cause. And yeah, so right now I'm just waiting for it to dry. It is drying a lot faster than I thought it would, so that's cool. And then yes, we're gonna do the second one probably in like half an hour, making sure that first layer really dries. And then I'm gonna be prepping for what's it called, for projecting it. Hey, I am gonna get started. I have this outline. You still can see like this shadow thing, but I think that's okay. I painted it 2 coats of gesso. I didn't sand it down again, but yeah, and then I sketched it out, and then now we're gonna get started. So welcome back, and let's get started. Subject first, just because I always like to do that, but it's a bad habit. But anyways, I'm gonna do the color wash thing that I was talking about yesterday, and I'm probably gonna go with like a raw umber type of color. And yes, we'll get started, and can't wait to see how it comes out. And I say bad habit painting this first because then I tend to get like lazy and be trying to like finish the rest because I finished like my favorite part. So I don't know if I should do that anymore. We'll see. I'm gonna do the light wash. I think I am gonna do this because I want to do the like short video completing this in like a cool way. So let's get started. Hey, so it's a little bit later. It's about 7 o'clock. I've been painting for a while now. Been working around a lot of the face just because I don't know, I don't have a reference for it, so I don't know what I want it to look like. So yeah, I feel like I am getting more towards what I want it to look like and stuff, so that's good. And yeah, just starting to fill out the background a little bit too, so that I don't have to, especially around these lines, so that later, you know, it's easy on me. So yeah, I'm probably gonna eat now, and then we'll come back and we'll finish. I'm so tired. I'm gonna be like sitting down the rest because I've been sitting all day doing trying to get footage for that short video. So yeah, I think I got really good shots, and I'm probably gonna show up until this part. So yeah, we'll see. This is the face so far now. I kind of like it. The face